it's not time for the Tower of Terror match yet. What? Well, if this is an odd pairing here, folks. We have Bulldozer and the Jester coming out together. That doesn't seem like a good thing. I can tell you guys right now.
Turn the music off. I got a working microphone. Hey, Jack Massacre! You think you're the biggest boy in the yard? Well, you haven't met the Bulldozer yet. What do you think, Jester? Massacre, get your big lorry butt out here right now, and I'm going to show you. No, we're going to show you.
Well, looks like Bulldozer has called out, Bulldozer and the Jester have called out Jack Massacre here.
Okay, first of all, too much. We have unfinished business. But the way I see this, you seem to want a tag team match. Now, I could probably take you both myself, but I know someone in the back who is itching to get into this match. So I'm just gonna let the music play and let my partner come out.
Who's gonna partner up with Jack Massacre here for this impromptu? Oh, I know who it is. The man from California, PA. He is Cupid. Cupid is in the King of Cameron match later on. So it's going to be probably the two biggest men I've ever seen in my life. Tupac and Jack Massacre going up against Bulldozer and the Jester. There's definitely some odd pairings here tonight. Wow. Man. Cupid came tonight looking for a fight.
And just received word that this tag match between Cupid and Jack Massacre against Bulldozer and the Jester is now official.
Well, Jester holding his mask.
At a total combined weight of a Cadillac Escalade.
Well, it looks like Cupid's going to be starting off this contest. Looks like it's going to be with the Jester. The Jester having his mask out there that he named Jeffrey and talks to it, oddly enough. Well, 3 out of the 4 men in this match will be in our Tower of Terror match. That's Cupid, Jester, and Bulldozer. Oh! And Jester just can't match the power of the big man Cupid. Well, it looks like Bulldozer gave Jester a little bit of a pep talk, so to speak, here. Another tie-up. Jester using his technical know-how here to get Cupid in that wrist lock. The power of Cupid, though. Oh! He has a wrist lock of his own. Just working on the arm of the Jester. He might just pull his shoulder out of its socket there. Cupid making the tag, and Jester quickly going over to make the tag. He doesn't want any more of Jack Massacre, apparently. Man, Jack Massacre towers even over the Bulldozer. And it seems like he might have more power as well. This may be a situation of the unstoppable force meeting the immovable object here. Both men tie up. Can't really call who's going to be the stronger one. Oh! Massacre. Not sure if that was strength or if he just has more leverage than Bulldozer. Bulldozer claiming his hair was pulled. I didn't see it. Both. Looks like Dozer wants a test of strength here. Dozer almost as tall as Jack Massacre. Almost. Not quite, though. Looked like they seemed a bit evenly matched at first there, but Massacre seems to be taking over in strength. Oh. Massacre with the... Both men hitting the knees right there in the gut. Back and forth. Headbutt from the Bulldozer. We've seen his hard head in action before. Oh, hip toss. There's not many men that can throw around the Bulldozer like that. That's for sure. Dozer calling for...
Hey! Pulled my hair 4 times! You know what? We're out of here! See? I didn't think that was caution tape on your back. I figured that was the yellow streak running down your spine.
Wow.
You know what? I think they're both chickens. Chicken, 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 chicken.
We know they both eat chicken. Come on, Dozer.
Looks like they're coming back out here. I guess just like Biff Tannen, nobody calls him chicken. Although I think Jack Massacre's a lot bigger than Marty McFly. Bulldozer laying in some shots before Jester comes in and gets another hip toss for his trouble. Going into the wrong corner there, Jester. Brutal punch right there. Cupid getting some in too. Oh! My God. Brutal chop from Cupac. Off the ropes. Oh! That was a clothesline. Cupac coming off. Oh! Brutal elbow with all that weight coming down. Only a 2 count there. Bulldozer was trying to come in to make the save. I don't think he would have made it had Jester not kicked out. Cupac with control. Jester grabbing the leg at Cupac. Oh. Then Dozer got him right in the eye, it looked like. Dozer stomping. Just stomping the crap out of Cupac there. Elbow drop. Rubbing his forearm in the face of Cupid. Another brutal elbow drop. That could be it. Cupac powers out of that one. That's what happens when you have a bunch of powerhouses in there. Cupac trying to make his way to that corner to make the tag, but can't quite make it over there. Cupac counters the punch and another of the Bulldozer. Bulldozer looked like he might have raked the eyes there. Not sure. Just raking the forearm across the, looked like the eye of Cupac. Tags out to Jester. Make a wish. Ah. Not the wish Cupac was looking for. Cupac barely getting up after 2. Jester laying the knees into the big man, Cupac. Jester off. Oh! That knee drop. That patented knee drop there, and he's choking the man out, taking advantage of that 5 count. Come on now. Pay attention, ref. Only a 2 count. Cupac got the ropes. He was too close. Great ring awareness by the big man. Bulldozer, oh, that brutal knee right to the side of the head of Cupac. Dozer pulling Q-Pac up, or at least trying to. Q-Pac fighting back. He needs to make the tag to Jack Massacre in this contest. Jester calling for the tag, but Bulldozer has Q-Pac locked in that front face lock. Only the 2 count there. Q-Pac is fighting back here. Q-Pac making his way. Going for, he got the tag. Jack Massacre got the tag in. The referee didn't see it. The referee did not see the tag. Bulldozer. Jester saying he's going to finish off Q-Pac. Takes a lot of power to drag a man the size of Q-Pac. Jester setting something up here. Oh! Misses with the senton! That's the opening Q-Pac needs here. Bulldozer's in! Massacre's in as well! Oh! Both men sent straight down to the mat here. Massacre, oh! Two-handed choke slam. Sends him to the mat. Massacre just grabs the punch. Oh! That might have been the knockout blow right there. Q-Pac, Squash City!
Here are your winners, Jack Massacre and Q-Pac.
Hey, Mike. Phone died.
Huh?
Phone died.
How?
I don't know.